The Village Fair Mall structure in Meridian, Mississippi was abandoned in the late 90s, and Lauderdale County chose to purchase the site for their new courthouse project. Snyder played a key role in being the prime contractor to abate and demolish the structure.
22nd Avenue, coming off the Interstate 20, was the hub of retail back in the 70s and 80s. It was a classic mall site, and over time, slowly but surely, the mall fell out of favor and eventually it closed. The county looked at this as the gateway into the city, and with so much redevelopment and revitalization happening, it really was something that the county decided they needed to step up and try to eliminate this blight that's right there at the gateway.
One reason this place is set vacant for so long is the potential cost, what people thought it would cost to remove the asbestos and tear the building down. The building was so large and there's many things very close to it, so we had to be extremely careful when we went into this.
The mall structure was a 400,000 square foot building that had spray applied fireproofing throughout all of the structural columns and structural beams, with a little bit of overspray on the metal roof deck. The fireproofing material contained an unacceptable amount of chrysotile, which is why it had to be abated prior to demolition.
Snyder has just been so helpful with tearing it down and making sure that the asbestos wasn't out in the air, so because we want to follow MDQ's guidelines and make sure everybody's covered.
You got to be concerned with safety. You got to be concerned about public health because we have some vulnerable populations over here. Once Snyder brought to us how they planned on addressing health and safety of their workers as well as the community, we felt like they had a really good plan to move forward, expedite this, and to get the job done.
Working with Snyder, the building being so large and so much asbestos in the building, we felt at ease with them being able to do that and not have to worry constantly about anything in the future that could possibly come up, because we know that they had it taken care of. Through that, we're able to move forward and build something new for the city and county.
Successfully and safely demolishing that structure and what's considered a hazard was challenging but very rewarding to be a part of.